Hello everyone, in this video we're going to take a short and quick look at sending and receiving transactions. This is going to be your step-by-step easy guide how to send and receive transactions basically, and we're going to talk about Phantom and Rabby Wallet. Let's start with Phantom. First, of course, input your wallet password. Then for receiving, simply click on receive, copy your wallet address depending on which chain you receive your assets on, and then just simply copy paste them, for example, to your friend. That's it. Command V. For sending, you basically copy paste the address you want to send to, right? If it's a different wallet, let's say somebody sent you a different wallet, you copy paste the wallet they've sent you, wherever it is, right? You just copy paste it, Command C. Yeah. Or take everything, right click, copy, in this case in Telegram, copy selected text. Overall, it can also just be Command C. If it's in your wallet and you want to send it to one of your different wallet addresses or accounts, as Phantom would say, you just copy it in the copy window. Don't type it, never type it, okay? And then input it with Command V, and then the amount you wanted to send, and then you send it, and that's it. For Phantom, for Rabby, it's quite similar. To receive, you can either click on receive, yeah, or even easier, just go to the top. You can see your address. Next to the address, you see the copy sign. Click on the copy sign and send your address to whomever you want to receive money from. Or same with Phantom, by the way, input it in Kraken to send, or like some exchange to send it from. Also here, be aware that on Ethereum and EVM, so all Ethereum compatible chains, let's say Ethereum and layer 2s, you will be able to input the same address and send Ethereum easily. Yeah, you can also do it for side chains which are also EVM compatible, like BNB or Avalanche. Just be aware that you won't have the native gas token there. For sending, you simply click on the address you've got, double click and copy. Then you go for Command V to input, and then you confirm the address. It will tell you it's not a whitelist address. If you haven't whitelisted it, then confirm it. Input the amount, or at least if it's on Ethereum. If you want to choose a different chain, you can choose the different chains here in the drop-down menu. And then you input the amount of Ethereum you want to transact with. Click on send, confirm, and that's it. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you now know how to transact safely, and have a great day. Much love and much light.